Write the quadratic equation whose roots are sine squared of 15 and cos squared of 15. We know that if the roots of a quadratic equation are alpha and beta, then we can write the equation as x squared minus the sum of the roots alpha plus beta x plus the product of the roots alpha beta equals 0. So this is the sum of the roots and this is the product of the roots. Now the sum of the roots is going to be sine squared of 15 plus cos squared of 15, and we know that the answer to this is going to be 1. And the product of the roots is sine squared of 15 times cos squared of 15, which we can write as sine of 15 times cos of 15, then all of it squared. But for sine of 15 times cos of 15, we can use the double angle formula, and we know that it's going to be equal to a half sine of double angle 30, and then all of it squared. We know that sine of 30 is a half, so this is a half, times a half is 1/4, and 1/4 squared is going to be 1/16. So the quadratic equation is going to be x squared minus the sum of the roots, which is 1x, plus the product of the roots, which is 1/16, equal to 0. Then we multiply this by 16 and we'll get 16x squared minus 16x plus 1 equals 0. And this is the quadratic equation whose roots are sine squared of 15 and cos squared of 15.